Imagine if India attacks Pakistan with its latest missiles. So does Pakistan have any such system that can destroy enemy missiles in the air? So the answer is yes. Pakistan has a modern air defense system called HQ-9P. This system is not a part of a dream or a story, but a reality. This system can target enemy aircraft or missiles in the air before they reach their territory. HQ-9 is a dangerous weapon developed by China, which has been exported to Pakistan under the name of HQ-9P Orient. Its range is 120 to 200 kilometers. That is, if HQ-9P is present in Lahore, it can destroy any Indian aircraft flying in Ludhiana or Patiala in a blink of an eye. And the special thing is that if the enemy fires 100 missiles at once, then this system will detect each one. So, by launching multiple interceptor missiles at once, it will turn them into night in the air. HQ-9P is deployed at important military bases in Pakistan's major cities, including Islamabad, Karachi, and Lahore. This system stands like an iron wall. It is ready to stop every attack of the enemy in the air. Remember, victory in the battlefield is not only about weapons. The real victory is about the technology of our army and bravery. And HQ-9P is the secret of Pakistan's success.